Hello, I am Flash Isaac, and you are welcome to the Flash Learner series, where we solve past and likely questions for your examination. And at the end of this series, your life will never remain the same because I shall be releasing a whole lot of episodes. In this series, I will be making use of the Flash Learners application. Simply visit Google Play Store or flashlearners.com to install the app. Are you watching on YouTube? I've shared the link to both the mobile and desktop app below. Download and let us begin. Write 6,300,009 in figures. We have 6 million, we have 300,000, and we have 9. So what is 6 million? 6 million is simply 6 with 6 zeros. That is million. Million has 6 zeros in the front. In a situation where the numbers in the front are not zero, for example, 6, 1, 3, 5, 4, 2, 1. Something like this, when you count from here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this value is still in millions. A value in million, we have 6 values at the front of it. Talking about place values for whole numbers, this first value, you can refer to it as ones or units. Any single value is a unit. 1 unit, 5 unit, to 9 alone, they are units. Now by the time two numbers come together, whether 10, 25, 36, 70, like this, let's say this 2, is now referred to as tens. So 10, 15, 20, these are tens. By the time you have 3 numbers like this, the first one has a place value of hundreds. This is why you call this as 421. You refer to this as 100, this as 200, this as 351. So 300, this is in tens, this is a unit. Then the fourth one, this one is joining. You refer to this as 5,421. So the place value of this 5 is 1,000. Then from here, you refer to this as 35,421, meaning you are grouping 35. What does that mean? That is tens of thousand. So 10,000, 35 was 10, 2 together in tens, 3,000, 35,000. Now, what about here? You refer to this as 135,421. So 100 so this is in hundred of thousand. How about here? You have 6 at the front. This is million, so this is million. So ones or unit, tens, hundreds, thousand, tens of thousand, or 10,000, 100,000, then million. That is how it goes. So if this is 6 million, 1, 2, 3, and the next one says 300,000. 300,000 simply means 300. 300 and 1,000 is 3 zeros. So that is 300,000. Hundreds of thousand. So 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 9. 9 is a unit. They didn't say 90 or 900 or 9,000. 9. So 9 will have to hang here. So this is 300. Adding them, 0 plus 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0, 0, 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. 6 plus nothing, 6 is here. So 6,300,009 is 6,300,009 in figures. That makes option D the correct option. And look at this question. It says, how many minutes are there in 60 seconds? How many minutes are there in 60 seconds? Remember, 60 seconds make 1 minute. Then 660 seconds will make how many minutes. How many minutes are there in 660 seconds? So we know that 60 seconds is 1 minute. And we are told that 660 seconds is how many? When you see something like this, or you get to comparison like this is what you do. You simply cross multiply. If 60 seconds is 1 minute, 660 seconds should simply be like this, which means 60 seconds times question, which is the unknown. We are looking for the value of 660 seconds in minutes. You can choose to solve it with question mark or refer to it as S or A or as Y to show that it is what we are looking for. And cross multiplying, like I said earlier, means use this to multiply this, use this to multiply this. And when you are given two fractions, 2 over 3 is equals, let's say, S over 5. This is a fraction, this is another fraction. If equal to sign is separating two fractions without any other numbers here or any other numbers here, what you simply do is cross multiply. How do you cross multiply in this place? In your mind, you do something like this, which is 2 times 5. This is multiplying this. 2 times 5 is equals, this is multiplying this, 3 times S. 3 times S. Pardon? To give you 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times S is 3S. So, to get S, you divide here by 3, you divide here by 3. Look at something you should know about equations. If I say 10 is equals 3S, it simply means that 3S is equal to 10. Now, if I'm looking for S and I say, okay, let me divide only here by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. You'll be left with S equals 10. But this is wrong because it is 3S that is equal to 10, not S that is equal to 10. Therefore, what happens to this place should also happen to this place so that the equation can be balanced. If you are dividing here by 3, you can also divide here by 3 so that they both will reduce and you get your correct answer. So that is how you cross multiply. Then you divide both sides by a common number to get your S, then you arrive at your answer. Let's do that here. When you cross multiply this, you have 60 times S. This times this times S is equals 660 times 1. Times S is 60S. 660 times 1 is 660. To get S, let's divide here by 60. And to balance the equation, let's divide here by 60. 60 divided by 60 is 1. So we are left with 1S here, which is the same thing as S to be equals. Now here, 0, we cancel 0. Then 66 divided by 6 is 11. And what is the value here? Is in minutes. So you come here and say, if 60 seconds is 1 minute, 660 seconds is equals 11 minutes. Hope it is clear. Let's see the next question. Welcome back and thank you for watching this episode on the series. Feel free to check out the other episodes. Subscribe so you don't miss out any video, and feel free to tell your friends about this. Thank you.